So welcome to the channel everyone. Today we are going to look at how to fill the GATE 2021 application form. Pretty simple form and very straightforward form that we have here today. So we'll quickly see how you can do that. Go to the Google and search for GATE 2021 and it will take you to the IIT Bombay website. Click on that website and that website will take you through to the GATE website. So here in front of me you have the GATE website now. Now this particular website has got a tab on the top of it where you can click and which will take you to the GATE portal. Now, this GATE portal gives you the full information about GATE. Everything is mentioned there. So you have the highlights, you have the FAQ, your important dates, the eligibility criteria for GATE, the details, the subjects of the GATE. Every single thing is mentioned here. And if you scroll down, you will also see the main portal where the application form filling can be done. And that portal is called as the GATE Online Application Processing System. Right. So we are going to get into this and start the form filling and see as to what are steps are required to fill the form. Once you click on the form, it takes you to the GATE Online Application Processing System. Again, here you have the information brochure, the important is the FAQ, everything is mentioned here. First and foremost, before you start registering to this, you need to fill in your application as a new user. So let's do that. So I'm going to put my name here and confirm. And then it takes you to a form where you will have to fill in your email ID, your phone number, and then create your uh, password and then verify. Okay, let's do that quickly. So you can submit this form. So once you have clicked the submit button, it takes you to this page which says thank you for registering for GATE 21. SMS and email containing your enrollment ID has been sent to you. You have to remember this ID for all GATE 2021 related communication or website operations. So this is the email that you would have got. It's a GATE 2021 enrollment ID. If you see that, there will be a enrollment ID mentioned on the email, and also you'll get an OTP in that email. That OTP you need to be using for registering your email address when we are filling the form. Okay, so let's go on and now fill the form. To fill the form, you need to fill up your email address here and the password here. So I'm going to quickly do that. And it straight away takes you to the application portal. It says, I hereby declare that I have read the GATE 2021 information brochure and I'm ready to fill up the application form. Click on that and start filling the application. Quite a simple application form. There's nothing much in this, so we'll quickly go through. But it very clearly says in the top, carefully go through the eligibility criteria for GATE 2021 prior to filling up the application form. Ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria and have necessary candidate certificates or documents as required. So if you look at this, you can either select one or two paper, as we have informed before as well. GATE now allows you to apply for two. So I'm going to apply for two papers. So I'm going to pick one, and the primary paper I'm going to pick up is civil engineering, and it says subject selected civil engineering, continue. And the secondary paper I'm going to take is environmental sciences and engineering. So choice of country is India, and I'm going to put the uh, details of the city of choice of exam. So I'm going to put my city, which is Chennai. I have chosen all the four examination city choices, and after that I'm going to save this. Now, in the next part of the form is the personal details. So you will see here that the personal detail is the second part, and it is already showing my name, my email address, and the phone number. I'm going to verify this now. Now, if by any chance you have not got your mobile OTP onto your mobile number or email address, just resend the OTP. That's more than sufficient to get the OTP again, and then you can again fill it up. Now, you can quickly fill this other details. So you have to fill up the date of birth. So I'm going to fill it up quickly. And then you need to fill up your category. Now, for the category, there are five categories available. You have the general category, general EWS category. You have the OBC or the NC OBC category, which is a non-creamy layer category. SC category and the ST category. Now, in this entire thing, what you will have to do is first of all decide what category you're going to apply. If you belong to the NC OBC category, you can just click on the top of this video and you can see the criteria for NC OBC category. For general and EWS category, general under the EWS category, the details are already given here. So you can go and check that out. So if you have any other doubt regarding the EWS category, please read this through. Otherwise, you can go ahead and fill it up. If you think that you belong to the NCOBC category, but you are not sure about it, go have a look at my video on the top here and you'll be able to see the details of the NCOBC criteria as well. So you can choose one of them. Now for general EWS and NCOBC, there is no form to be uploaded. If you click on the SC/ST category, you will have to upload your SC/ST caste certificate as well. Otherwise, for the other three, there is no other upload required. So I'm going to choose general and go forward. You can then select the country of permanent residence. And you can then select a valid ID proof. Now, Aadhaar card is a valid ID proof that you can choose, or apart from Aadhaar card, there are a list of ID cards mentioned here. You have to be very sure that whatever ID you're going to put here, you will be carrying this with you when you're going for the examination. So make sure that you are entering this detail correctly. So I'm going to use the Aadhaar card and I filled out my detail and it's asking you for the name of the parent or guardian and the country of residence of the guardian. And then you can fill up the guardian's number. After you have completed this, you can save this or move on to the next one. In the next part, you have the correspondence address. So correspondence address, first of all, it asks you for your PIN code and then the country and the state. State it fetches automatically and then you can fill up your address. And save and go to the next part. In the next part, you have the college information to be filled up. So I'm going to put again the PIN code here and select the college. So college is in India. It's in Tamil Nadu. One very important thing that you will look at in this is the institute registration or the roll number that you're going to fill up in your eligibility certificate in GATE is what will come here. So I'm going to fill that up. And then it's asking for the qualifying degree, and the qualifying degree here for me is BTech. And it's asking to select the discipline, so civil engineering. Once I have chosen this, it asks me whether I've graduated or not. And if you're in the final year, you need to write no. If you're already passed out, then you can say yes, you have graduated. If you have graduated, you need to give the year of graduation here. If you say no, then year of qualifying degree you will have to mention here, and there are options given out here for that. Now I'm going to apply as a final year student. So final year student, I'm going to pass out in 21, and degree awarding university or the institute name, I'm going to put VIT University, and the college name is Vellore Institute of Technology. So it says as you start typing the name of the college, you will see a list of colleges. Please select your college if it appears in the list. Otherwise, type the name. So if you see here for VIT, if I'm putting nothing is coming, so I'm going to fill it up. And then go to the next. Now here, this is the last part of your form before the payment. And here if you see now, there is a color photograph to be uploaded here, a signature to be uploaded here, and upload a photo ID. It says upload PDF file of the photo ID. File size should be between 10 KB to 600 KB. Now it says as of now nothing is being uploaded, and then it also asks me to tell them where did I get to know from this. So I'm saying GATE 2021 poster, right? So I'm going to upload my photo now. So now I've uploaded everything from my side, and you can see that all the details regarding the guidelines of uploading the photo, the signature, everything is mentioned here. So it's pretty much easy. Fill it up properly, and then once you have filled this up, your work is over. You can review and check all the details. So this application form is now downloaded as a PDF. You can actually go through and check the application form in detail. Check whether all the things are very clearly mentioned there. You can also see that, your GATE paper is also mentioned there, and all the other details as well. So, this is something that you need to definitely check before you can proceed further. Now you can now submit this application and proceed for payment. So once that's verified, you can go now and check out your payment details. So you have to pay a fees of 3,000 if you come in a general category. I'm going to verify this and fill this up. Now it then takes you to the payment website. This is a payment website, and from here you can now make the payment. So it's a pretty simple form. Go through and read all the instructions carefully. See what all you need for uploading, and accordingly finish the form off. It's quite a lot easy to fill this up. So nothing much to worry about. And uh, if you have any other doubt related to form filling or anything related to the gate that you are still unsure of, you can as well comment beneath, and I'll be happy to reply to your queries. Also, if you have any you want any details about the changes that are there in the gate 2021, I've already made a video which is there on the link on your top right hand side. Click on that and you can see that video and you can understand what are the changes are there in the current gate 2021. So wish you all the best. I hope all of you have a great preparation time for next 4 months, and also write your gate really very well. If you still have any doubt, please feel free to get back to me on the comments, and please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. All the best for GATE.